Today we are going to learn how to make the gift box with two rectangle papers. We need for this any two color you can take and you can do the gift. So first we have to fold that paper, one paper in middle, nicely fold it. Then this edge we have to join till the midline. See here, this way we will fold it, join this midline and this edge properly, and fold it. Okay, same way on the another side. Properly fold it. See again, one we have to fold it till middle line, this again till the middle line. Okay, very good. Then this part we have to fold it up. This part we have to fold it up. Okay, till this everyone understood? Yes, this way. Then we have to join this end to this end. This fold will join to this end till the middle point. One, fold it nicely. Now this part remain here on this line. We will fold it this way. Just squeeze it nicely, press it properly. Okay, see here again. Here on this line we have folded this. Same we have to do the for this part also. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. See here. Understood? This is our first paper. Now we will take another paper. We will do the same activity. We will do here one fold, then this end till this midline. Okay, same on another side. Okay, now first we have folded this up. Now this we have to fold it at the back. Okay, one inside and one outside. This way. Okay, and then this fold again same way we have to do. One till this point. One, squeeze it properly. Second one upon this. Two, open it, and three. The three folds are here. Again see, 1, 2 and 3. Once these two are ready, what we have to do? See here. Here we can see this gap, this empty gap. Okay, so this part where it is point is there, this we have to interlock in this way. Just put it inside like this. See again, this here inside. Okay, once it is been placed, it will be locked. Now here this part we can see here, once it is locked, this part is open. So this we will just interlock in this, and these sides we will interlock in this. Once we will lock it, this way it will be packed, locked properly. Okay, see this way. So here will be this way, it will come here. Then here we can take the two small eyes, shape of eyes. I made it here, two circles you can make. Then apply the glue on it. Here one eye. Here one eye. This like a nose part you can just take any other color and you can do. Here I made with white only, one big circle. This will be placed here, and one green color circle to make the balance of it, that we will stick it. Up here. Then with sketch pen here we can draw the eyeball. A little eyebrow. This way our one character will be ready and the box will be ready. Okay, so if you want to keep any gift in it, what you have to do, you just open this way. Here, this way, here we are locked. So this, when we will open, it will be like this. So here inside this you can keep any chocolate or any gift, you can keep inside this, and again you can interlock this here. This here and this here. Lock it and our gift box is ready. Okay, thank you.